Oh yeah, today we'll be making the best brownie ever together. Get a handful of walnuts, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of instant coffee, eggs from one of those farms where the chickens run freely, brown sugar, granulated sugar, flour, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, dark chocolate, and of course, butter. Get started by unwrapping that chocolate and cutting it into smaller chunks. Now, using bain-marie or the double boiler method, heat some water in a saucepan and place a bowl on top of that water. Once the water starts boiling, add the butter and the dark chocolate and mix it until they melt completely. Add half of the cocoa powder and mix it up again good. Keep it aside for a bit later. Now start adding those eggs and mix them up pretty nicely with the brown and the granulated sugar. Keep mixing. Mix some more. Almost there. Here we go. Look at that creamy color. Now it's time to add the previously melted buttery chocolate sauce. Now add your coffee, a pinch of salt and the vanilla extract. Mix it as much as needed till the mixture looks like a fine paste. We are almost there. Add the sifted flour and the rest of the cocoa powder to the mixture. Mix it up with your spatula until it starts to get a decent consistency. Spread the batter over a parchment paper and add your desired nuts on top. Put the pan in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it's ready, take it out of the oven, pound it on the table gently, as this will cause it to crack. Allow it to cool down and enjoy this chewy, fudgy and delicious brownie with some tea, coffee, or even some chilling ice cream if you're into that thing. Let us know what you think in the comments, like the video, subscribe, and remember that sharing is caring.